Hey, what's up, you guys? James Gugadall here. Wow, I just looked at my crypto again after a little bit of a hiatus, and it's not as pretty as it was in December. But some things have turned around a little bit. Unfortunately, the market cap is below 500 billion, and if you remember, I talked about the 500 billion level kind of being the baseline, and we've dipped into the 400 billions. And when that happens, for me, that means I got to hold. It starts selling there, I'm just going to end up throwing money down the drain. And I think that we're going to see a turnaround, and it might not be for a few months. It might be in a couple of weeks, but eventually it's going to turn around, just like every major stock market that's ever tanked. Those who held have really turned out okay, because after every major crash, going back to 2008 and then 2001 before that, if you held at those drops and didn't sell, you actually ended out way better than you did before, because the markets reached all-time highs after those massive crashes. So I think that crypto is going to follow that same pattern. I mean, I can't say that with 100% certainty, but I do feel that will be the case. Guys, if you're not subscribed to me, follow me on James Gugadall at YouTube. We cover fitness, finance, faith, and we're talking about crypto lately, but you can see I do some fitness videos, I do some motivational videos, I do some faith videos, talk about prayer, meditation, Jesus, faith as a pastor, right? I talk about some nursing stuff. I think I'm going to start putting out some book reviews, books that have meant a lot to me and that have helped change my thinking. The Magic of Thinking Big is one of them for sure, but we'll get into that later. So I wanted to show you guys something about Linda Coin. I know I've done some videos on Linda Coin in the past, and you know, about 2.5, 3 weeks ago, there was a lot of hype around Linda. It was getting up there, 60 Satoshis. Maybe it went even a bit higher than that. And then it slowly started to fade into oblivion, and you know, the development team had a lot of drama going on. They've had recently really big website problems, and then all of a sudden no one could get in touch with any of the team. And I was about to sell last night at 18 Satoshis. And to be honest, I kind of prayed. I said, Lord, should I sell at 18 Satoshis? Because I think I bought in at like 50, maybe 40. I just felt inside, no, hold, just hold it. And look what's happened today. Now we're at 28 Satoshis. So I'm happy about that, up 33%. And I think they might be getting their act turned around a little bit. So we know this is a privacy coin. I've done some videos, reviews. I've looked at their white paper. You guys have probably watched that. I did have a sense deep down inside that how bad it tanked over the past couple days was really just an opportunity to buy more. So I may purchase some more Linda by selling some other things. Maybe I'll sell some Electronium. Although I do feel that Electronium is a much more solid project than Linda. And look at its volume is 479 Bitcoin, even though it's down 12% today. And I mean, Electronium's down quite a bit. I think it's hovered around, well, 722 Satoshis, which is around 6 cents, 6.5 cents. And we know it's been all the way up to 17 cents. So, you know, that's like 1,1600 Satoshis, maybe a bit higher at its peak. But Linda, I think they might be turning their act around now. So, anyways, guys, I'm going to keep my eye on Linda over the next week or two, see what it does. Hopefully it doesn't drop again down to the 18, 19 Satoshi range. I'm hoping it gets up to 50 and then 100 Satoshis. But only time will tell in this sea of red what these altcoins and what Bitcoin's going to do. Bitcoin is in the 8,000s now. So times are tough, but I'm holding for the long haul. I'm not selling. I got a bag of Tron. I'm not going to sell that till it turns around. And going to keep my eyes on these things, alright? So hopefully you guys aren't panic selling. Just do what you got to do, right, to get ahead. And do some research, hold it, walk away for a few months, come back, and see where you're at. hopefully you're up when it's all said and done. Hopefully you didn't buy Bitcoin at 19,200. And you should be good to go. If that was you, I'm sure it's going to surpass that by leaps and bounds. Just give it time. This is my personal opinion as always. Hopefully you guys are doing your own research, and this is not to be taken as financial advice. Cheers, guys.